Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Himachal. Welcome back to the Vanpath. How you all are doing? I hope your preparation is going well. So today's session is on gender issues. But before moving ahead, there is an announcement for you. As you know, HPFS exam is around the corner. You just have 30-40 days in hand. So आपका फोकस अब पढ़ने से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने की तरफ शिफ्ट हो जाना चाहिए. And for this purpose, Learning Himachal is providing you with full length tests. Along with this, all the candidates who have cleared prelims can reach out to us for mains mentorship program. Let's start with the session. Question number 1. Which of the following articles of Indian Constitution guarantees equality before the law and prohibits discrimination on grounds of sex? Article 14 and 15, Article 16 and 21, Article 19, Article 32, Option D, Article 23 and Article 24. The correct answer here is Option A, Article 14 and Article 15. Article 14 provides you with equality before law. Article 15 prohibits discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Clear? Question number 2. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme primarily aims to address women's unemployment, declining child sex ratio, maternal mortality, domestic violence. Correct answer is declining child sex ratio. It was launched in 2015. The scheme addresses the declining child sex ratio and promotes girl-child education and empowerment. Question number 3. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act was enacted in 2003, 2005, 2007 or 2009. This was enacted in 2005. The PWDVA Act 2005 provides a legal remedy for women facing domestic violence in a shared household. Question number 4. Which of the following are correct about the Equal Remuneration Act 1976? It mandates equal pay for men and women for same work. It prohibits discrimination during recruitments. It applies only to organized sector employment. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer here is 1 and 2 only. It mandates equal pay for men and women for same work. It prohibits discrimination during recruitment. It applies only to organized sector employment is the wrong statement. The act applies to both organized and unorganized sectors. इसीलिए क्या है आपका statement 3 क्या है? Incorrect है. Question number 5. Which of the following global indices measures gender-based disparities? Global Hunger Index, Gender Inequality Index, Ease of Doing Business Index, World Press Freedom Index. Correct answer is Gender Inequality Index. GII by UNDP measures gender-based disparities in health, empowerment and labor force participation. Let's move ahead. Question number 6. The Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017 extended the paid maternity leave to 16 weeks, 20 weeks, 26 weeks, 30 weeks. Correct answer here is 26 weeks. The amendment increased paid maternity leave from 12 to 26 weeks for women in the formal sector. Question number 7. The One-Stop Center scheme is aimed at supporting female entrepreneurs, providing support to women affected by violence, ensuring skill development for adolescent girls, enhancing participation of women in Panchayati Raj. Correct answer is providing support to women affected by the violence. Also known as Sakhi Center, they provide medical, legal and psychological aid under one roof to women facing violence. Question number 8. Consider the following statements regarding the Transgender Persons Protection of Right Act 2019. It provides reservation for transgender person in education and public employment. It mandates the setting up of National Council for Transgender Persons. A person must undergo surgery before identifying as transgender under the Act. Which of the statements are correct? 1 and 2 only, 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer is 2 only. It mandates the setting up of National Council for Transgender Person. The Act does not provide reservations. It establishes a national council. A self-perceived gender identity is accepted. No surgery is mandatory. Second last question for the day. Which of the following Supreme Court judgment declared Section 497 adultery unconstitutional on the grounds of gender discrimination? तो इसका आंसर है आपका जोसेफ शाइन वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 2018. In this case, Supreme Court struck down Section 497 IPC, calling it archaic and gender biased. Last question, question number 10. Which of the following international instruments explicitly recognize the link between gender equality and sustainable development? Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action 1995, Sustainable Development Goal Agenda 2030, UN Convention on Rights of Persons with Disabilities CRPD, Paris Agreement on Climate Change. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3 only, or option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. Correct answer here is option D. All of these statements are correct. Beijing Declaration is a major milestone in global commitment to gender equality. SDG Goal 5, Gender Equality is a core objective of sustainable development. CRDP 2006 includes provisions for women and girls with disabilities, acknowledging multiple vulnerabilities. And last option, Paris Agreement 2015, though primarily environmental, it recognizes gender responsive climate policies. So that's it for the day. For more updates, you can follow us, and if you want to join our courses, you can contact our team. Thank you and have a wonderful day.